So this initiative to take 12 rangatahi Māori youth students around the ages of 14 and 15 and drop them in the middle of Silicon Valley in this disruptive environment and work with Stanford University on a Māori youth boot camp was a real brave opportunity.
So to create the opportunity that allows kids to recognize that in themselves and to know that that's really important. Empathy and connecting with people are crucial to 21st century teamwork.
It is not going to be the present generation of the elders who are here. It's you people who are going to make a difference.
It's just a matter of trying and perseverance to have a good technology opportunity.
All the big pictures are rangatahi, isn't it?
Yeah.
They're the people of tomorrow. They're going to be our leaders in the future.
Yeah.
So, if we can get them onto this buzz of innovation.
It's been heaps of things like creativity, networking with people, growing confidence about talking with people, and discovering things that you never even knew.
So stand out for me would be, how different people make their own goals, and what other people's structures are, and how they get to where they are now.
In terms of the speakers as well as the motivation for what they've been doing, it's not around money, it's not about anything else, it's about making a change for communities, for the country and everything else.
So now this amazing initiative has been complete. The exposure that these students have had to coding, to being able to create, to being curious-minded and underpinned by their culture really sets them up as a foundation for the future. And so we're really excited about what the future holds, not only for these 12, but for the next 12, and maybe next year let's challenge ourselves to put 100 through. Let's build that pipeline of future generators, generation wealth creators. And while we've been laid down the challenge, how do we create more wealth in the Māori economy? Part of the answer is we start building the pipeline for the future right now, and it is right here. So let's do more.
One, Nau mā haru mai ki ngā akomanga matua o ngā tauua.
Ko tēnei te whare toi, te whare hangarau o te whare kura mauo.
Ko tēnei te roto a Pukewhanake, te akomanga awaho o Putaiao.
Nau mai ki te whare Putaiao.
Taku creation tuarua. Ko ngā pūngao ki roto I tēnei, ara ko te pūngao ku torotoro me te pūngao niki. Ka whakātu e au te pūngao niki. Me nā perangi te actually mahi. Kei kawa e kata kata. Hey!